Hey, PocketSuite Pro. Are you one of our pros that uses social media to advertise for your business and to potentially get new clients? Well, if so, then you know that the pesky problem with that is there's only space for one link. Well, on most of the platforms anyway. Well, enter the Suite Link. Our Suite Link is a great way for you not only to get, convert leads from just people that are watching you on social media, but it's also a great way for you to track where most of your traffic is coming from. Are you wondering, hey, is it coming from my website? Are people finding me on Instagram? Like, where are they finding me mostly? Your Suite Link is going to have all that information for you. It's like having a little marketing team right in your pocket. So if you do use social media and you'd like to get the most from your subscription using our Suite Link, then you've come to the right video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tap on settings in the lower right hand corner of your screen, and you are going to scroll down to the section that says marketing suite, and we're going to tap on Suite Link. Okay. So this is amazing. This is basically what yours is going to look like before you've created anything. Okay. So like I mentioned before, here we are creating what's called call to action buttons. Okay. There are two types of call to action buttons. There are widgets. Okay. Widgets are internal. They are basically links to different things within the app. Since they're internal, you don't have to enter the link when you're creating these buttons for those widgets. We know it, and we will put them in for you. The second thing to note about widgets is because they're internal, they're all going to do something really, really cool. They're all going to collect client information for you. Okay, so it becomes sort of a lead generator. Okay, these widgets. The second type of button is custom buttons. Okay, those are for links that are outside of PocketSuite that maybe we wouldn't know what the link is, right? So think maybe your website, Google business page, Google reviews, other social media platforms, perhaps. Okay, so those are the two types of buttons that we're building with this Suite Link. Okay, so let me walk you through how to do each one. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to tap where it says add a button. Okay, and you'll see there's quite a few call to action buttons here. Okay, book a session actually connects to your booking widget. Okay, so this is a link or a button that you're creating that's going to redirect your clients to your booking page. You are able to change what it says. Instead of book a session, you can simply put like book me or something different. There is a character limit, but you are able to change that. Okay. The next one is going to be the place an order. If you sell products online and you have set up your online ordering, you can tap on the place an order, and that goes to your product link, and then you tap on save. Okay. The third one is the chat with me. So this is actually a widget for a button for your chat widget. So when your clients tap on that one, it's taken to a chat page and they can send you messages. So go ahead and hit save. You can change if you don't want it to say chat with me, you can change that. But then just hit save when you're ready. The other one is the sign up with me. This is actually a widget that connects to your lead form. So the lead form, just like your online purchasing, your online ordering, is another feature that you can add to your business calendar. The sign up with me is actually, it connects to the lead form, which is another feature you can connect to your business calendar. Okay, so when you tap it, you can reword it if you want to, or rename it, and then just hit save. Now, I would say if you don't have online leads or online ordering kind of set up, I wouldn't add these buttons quite yet. I would wait and set those up first and then go ahead and add these buttons. Okay. The next one is the send me a payment. This is your payment widget. Okay. So clients can just tap on that and send you a payment. Now, I do want you to be aware of this a little bit. If your clients have an appointment with you that's already on the calendar, it's best to just charge that client straight from there instead of having them send you just free floating payments through this widget. Just because the system will not know that that payment is for, appointment on, whatever date. So just be aware of that. So that's the payment widget. Then the final one is the add a custom button. So the other ones that we've gone over so far, they're all widgets. That last one, add a custom button, those are for things such as your website that maybe we don't have the link to. It could be to your Google business listing. It could be to all the things, right, that we spoke about earlier. I'm going to use just PocketSuite's website to demo here. But okay, so I've added a custom button. You can add up to 50 buttons on this page. So, you can do quite a few here. So get creative. Once you've added all of your call to action buttons, you can do a couple things. You can delete them if you want to delete them by tapping the little pencil and hitting delete. If you hold down the 3 dashes to the left, you can click drag and reorder them, okay? If everything looks great, you have all the ones that you need in there, and you're ready to put this everywhere, you tap the share in the upper right-hand corner. And then you're going to tap either copy or share, whichever one you prefer. You're going to copy, it copies into a clipboard, and then you're going to paste it on all your social media platforms, on your Google business listing, on your website. You can put it everywhere, okay? When your clients see these beautiful photos or look at your website or, look at your business listing and they're ready to contact you, they'll tap on that link, right? So let me just kind of share with you what that looks like. So if I tap on share and I tap on preview, it will take me to kind of what my clients are going to see. Okay. Really quickly, obviously place an order takes them to their shopping landing page. Book Me takes them to their booking page, which looks very similar. The coolest thing though, Chat with Me takes them to this chat page, right? And like I mentioned before, all of the widgets are going to collect information from you. So pretend that I'm a client, I tapped on the link and I sent a message like, hey. Now you're busy seeing clients. You don't have the time or the bandwidth to, be glued to your phone the whole time, but your system is going to actually respond on your behalf. So if you notice, the system sent a message, can we get your first and last name so we know who we're talking to? So this person that's just been seeing amazing pictures that you've been sharing on your Instagram, they're going to send their name. And then the system is going to ask for the second piece of information that's necessary to create a client profile, and that's their phone number. So can we get a phone number in case we need to follow up? And the person's going to be like, sure, no problem. You're going to put their number in. They're going to be sent a verification code to make sure that they are who they say they are. Once they enter the verification code, then they are converted to your client profile list. Let me show you. If you go back to your SweetLink. So the SweetLink is super cool already because it's gathering this information, right? It's like the one place where your clients can kind of go to and see all of the things that you offer, your website, all the cool things, right? But then what's especially exciting is if then you go to your home dashboard, right? Once that SweetLink is active and it's on all of your pages and your clients are starting to kind of interact with it, right? And like click on it and book you or chat with you. What's going to happen is on your dashboard, you're actually going to see where it says clients, that client banner. If you tap on it, it opens up to your client dashboard. The cool thing here is every new client that comes in is going to be added here, and it's gonna show you. You're gonna be able to see exactly where they came from too. Like with Toya and Eric, they came in through the chat widget. John came in through support. Chinwei called first. So this is really, really powerful. But not only that, once that SweetLink starts being used, you're going to also have a SweetLink marketing right here. Okay. So this SweetLink marketing is going to give you tons and tons of information. For example, if you tap where it says SweetLink at the top, you'll notice you can sort sessions by views, sessions and clicks. If you look at that green number in the upper left-hand corner, that's how many views I've had month to date. And this is just from me tinkering with the app. I've just set it up. And at the bottom, you'll see that 100% of those views came from an unknown source. Well, really, that's just because I was playing with it within the app. The really cool thing though is when you have this link active and it's on all of your social media platforms, that number is going to grow, right? It's going to tell you how many views you're getting. And then underneath, it's going to tell you what percentage of those views came from your website or came from Instagram or TikTok. The really powerful thing about having this is that it's like having a little marketing team right in your pocket. If at any point during your business venture, you decide, well, you know what, I think it's time to spend some marketing dollars. This is like having a little marketing team telling you exactly where you're getting the most traffic, and this is the data for your business, and this is where you should invest so you can kind of spend that money confidently, right? So SweetLink is a game changer in terms of getting your leads from your social media platforms and having that one place